Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing y'all why it took me 72 hours to clean my studio apartment. No, like, you guys don't understand. This is far beyond me, and I never knew how powerful the mind was, the brain was, until this happened to me. So stay tuned, enjoy, and I really hope this does motivate you to clean your space. Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I look insane right now, but it's the end of the day and I have to clean my apartment. So that's what we're gonna do right now. You cannot see the mess, the severity of the disgust, but it surrounds me. So hopefully this can motivate somebody to clean up their space. Suitcases everywhere, clothes are everywhere. It's just nothing is organized. Therefore my head, my mentality is the same way. So we're gonna get to cleaning. I'm not gonna do much talking, probably gonna do a voiceover, but enjoy this video and pray for me. Perfect, we're gonna get straight into it. So before cleaning, I like to get a big bag and just pick up any garbage that I see or any dirty clothes, whichever one I'm gonna categorize the bag as. But I like to go around with a big bag and collect all the garbage, everything that doesn't belong. I collect them, and that's gonna help me declutter the space, and it's gonna be overall easier to clean up. But y'all, this is why it took me 72 hours to clean up my studio apartment. I know you guys know that I've been dealing with being in a rut, or maybe if you didn't know, then now you know. But I don't know what happened to me. It's just like my brain went flatline. Like, my brain just did not want to work. It did not want to do anything, and of course my body, following my brain, it's gonna be lazy now. So this was day one of me cleaning my apartment, and I was so unmotivated. I actually didn't even want to do it, but I thought, just like any other time I didn't want to clean up, let me just get up and do it, and you know, that's just gonna go how that goes. I even went as far as watching Steve Harvey or other motivational speech makers, and it just did not work out for me. Like, I just was not motivated to do it. It was like in my head, it was set in stone that this wasn't gonna get done. And I think the reason for this is because I've been so stressed out, and I haven't really been finding solutions for my stress triggers. So whatever it is that's bothering me, I haven't really found any solutions for it. So it's just a big mess in my mind. But I actually want to talk to you guys today about that, because I've been doing some research just to help myself mentally, because that day, well, those 3 days, I realized that it's imperative that I take my mental health into consideration, that I care for my mental health, because as you guys can see, it can turn an easy task into something that's impossible. So let's talk. So I first want to discuss my background and where the mindset of my mentality not being important comes from. So I'm Haitian, and in a Haitian culture, really, you just have to make sure you have a proper education and you're successful in life. Nobody ever tells you to take care of your mental. Nobody ever tells you to make sure you're good up here. And you could even see it in some of my family members. Like, the stress overpowers them. Whatever they're in a stressful situation, they become stress itself. It's insane. But now that I'm growing up and I'm realizing, listen, this is an actual problem. One thing that I don't think Haitian kids or young adults hear often is that depression is normal. It's not something that only some people get. I do believe that everybody gets depression. So with that being said, we all have to be aware of our mental health. The same way we care for our physical health, our spiritual health, all of the other health, the mental health is just as important. So if there's one thing that I would say, or that I would recommend, it is when you wake up in the morning, before checking your phone, before going to the gym, before getting your day started, take some time and meditate. And I know when some people hear meditate, I know I used to be like this too. Whenever I heard meditate, I used to think of you know, and things that don't really make sense to me. But let me tell you guys the true meaning of meditation right now, because the past couple of days I've been enlightened and I've been opened up to this new world that I think is absolutely crazy. So meditation is when you take time to connect with your brain. So just like a phone needs charge in order for it to work, Your body needs food as fuel. In order for you to have energy, your brain needs time to meditate. Sleeping is not meditating. You need to be able to sit down and sort out whatever is in your brain. Sit down and tell yourself good things, that which also could be in a form of manifestation. So if you have a certain goal, sit down and let yourself know, hey, this is going to happen. Or if you just want to have a good day, sit down and imagine a good day. There is so much power in setting some time aside for that, because it is just as important as every other part of your body. Matter of fact, your brain, your mind is much more important than any other part of your body. Your brain tells your heart to pump blood. So please keep that in mind whenever you are feeling depressed, whenever you're not in the mood for something. Let your body know that you are in charge. You being your brain, you being your thoughts, you being your spirit. Let your body know you are in charge and you are not gonna let the flesh run you. So that's something that, as you're watching this video, this version of me, I did not know this. I was basically run by my feelings. I was run by, I don't want to do this, and I let it go too far. I let it get to the point where it was controlling me. If I were to describe how I feel whenever I'm down like this, it would be that I feel stuck. So if you that's watching this, you feel stuck, or if in the future you find yourself feeling stuck, just know that when you do feel this way, you always have an option. And it's two options actually. You could either stay in that state of being stuck, or you can get up, meditate, tell your body what it's going to feel, tell your day, tell your future how it's going to be, and you could live that out. So this is advice I would give myself right now as I'm watching me, because I never knew about this. But I know you guys can see my apartment is a whole mess, and because it took me so long to clean every part of my apartment, the parts that I already cleaned got dirty again. But this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it so much. I enjoyed talking to you guys and teaching you guys something that maybe you possibly didn't know. But thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you.